a tutorial for how to use MacChanger version 1.1, a hack hunter's choice. Go to the GitHub page of Hack Hunt, link in description. You can also find the source code. The code is written in Python 3.8 and we have also mentioned the libraries used. You can see all the other information in the description of the GitHub page. To download the tool, click on Latest Release. Find the file name Mac_Changer, click on it to download. While you are on the website, follow us for more tools, like this. The tool is downloaded, open a terminal. Redirect to Downloads folder, and you will see the tool. To convert the tool into executable, type chmod u+x and file name. After converting to executable, let's run the help command to see available options. You can see all the information to run the tool. To run the tool, you need to define the interface, using the option -i or --, interface and then the name of the interface. If you are a non-root user, you need to type password of your account. The Mac has successfully changed. You can confirm the same using ifconfig command. The Mac is generated randomly using our random Mac generation algorithm. If you want to change the Mac to specific Mac, add option -m or -Mac, and the Mac address. The Mac is successfully changed to our desired Mac address. If you get an error message while entering a desired Mac address, please check the rules for changing Mac address. Link in description. If you like this video, please comment, share, and also if you are not a Hack Hunt subscriber, please subscribe. This is Hack Hunt, signing off.